That rain something around 5:30 there. Holy shit! And the people with us, the bus out there, they can attest to this shit. Going from yeah, that's the European night market. That's every time. And the cars are going by on the on Baseline Road there.
That's the 80 there. Did you want to come in here or? Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem.
That's generator energy here. That's why I stood away from her. Oh.
Sorry, you want to come in? Yeah, ring one.
Exactly. This is my proposal to the city. Reduce speed signs, or put up signs saying 50 miles an hour in rain conditions. That's my proposal to the city. Especially on Baseline, if it's a 60 or even a 70.